Welcome back everyone to this brand new build, and look at what we're doing now. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what we got. So this was the latest edition of the DS9 station. The last one that I had only had the Defiant with the station, but this one has the Cardassian and the Defiant this time. The Keldon class, no less, not the Gaylord. All clear. Okay, for me, I don't understand why they molded it in clear. Because, well, the windows are too small. You have to drill them out anyway for fiber optic lighting and stuff like that. So I'm really quite honestly confused by that. But that's just me. Yeah, I could see, you know, with the Enterprise D, where the windows, you know, aren't too small, you can still mask them off. But with the DS9 station, it's like, what, a mile wide? The windows are super tiny. How in the world are you going to mask those? You can't. Well, I guess you could, but I'm not patient enough to mask off thousands of windows, hundreds of windows. Sorry, man, but that's just, no, that's not going to happen. Okay, so yeah, got the little runabouts, 3 of them. Yep, that's typical. It's got the Defiant on here, and of course the Keldon class warship. This is the only thing that's really new with this set, other than it being clear, is the inclusion of the Keldon class. All of the other sets that came out in the past, the very first one did not have the Defiant, because the second one came out with the Defiant. Now the third one comes out with the Keldon. I wonder what they're going to come out with if they come out with a 4th version of this. Maybe a small version of the Enterprise D. You never know. Or a Klingon warship. Everything looks like it's here. So let's get 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yep, all 3 of those there. 2, 3, okay, well, it should be 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, all 6 of those. Upper and lower pylons. Should be 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And the upper and lower central section. Okay. And I will have the Defiant and the Kelvin class vessels also will be lit up. They will have lights in them. Okay. It's pretty much the same thing as all the rest. I gotta check the what did I do with? Oh. Defiant and Kelvin class decals. Alright. And the smaller Defiant ones here. Now, once I get the hull color on here, I'm going to put all these decals on. And then once it sets, I will drill them out. I'm not going to do all of them. Not like I did before. That's a lot of drilling. Just a little bit. Just might do about half of them. Drill them out. Because I want some rooms to be dark. Other rooms, people will be in the room, you know, kind of thing. They'll be lit up when somebody's in there, blah, blah, blah. Or maybe somebody left the washroom light on. I don't know. Okay, so what I gotta do is I'm gonna completely coat the inside, outside of all these models with primer. No, yeah, primer. Then the insides will get coated with chrome silver because I want the lighting to be substantial. And then I will get the exterior of the space station done. Okay. All right. So I gotta take these out, get these painted. So let's get that done. So I'm doing the inside first. chrome silver here. It's looking not too bad, but I'm going to add a coat of matte black over it, and then after that will be the final hull color. Alright, now that we're ready for the final coat of color, I got this in here, wood deck tan for the Cardassian, a light aircraft gray for the Defiant, and the flat dark aircraft gray for the station itself. I used the wrong color for the Defiant. It's this light gray from Revel. Okay, they are looking not too bad. Just gotta let that set now. Okay, now that everything is all painted up here, looking not too bad, I'm gonna get these decals put on to the station here. That way it'll give me a frame of reference to go by for drilling out the holes for the windows. Just gonna put this base together first here. Okay, so I got those all on there. Just gotta let that set, and then I can drill those out. Now this in here, you don't need the decals on here. It's already got little points on there, so I'm just drilling these out right now. So I'll get that done. That. Keep on going till it's all done. There we go, all drilled out. Looks good. Okay, now we can work on these areas here that the decals had time to set. So let's get all of these done. Just keep on going till it's all done. There you go, coming along, looking not too bad. Good, very good. Just got that edge to do yet, but this is looking really nice. And there we go, we got them all done there. These sections here anyway. So the majority of this all done now. I filled in all the windows with this Tester's window maker. Just sort of give it that look. Looks not too bad. Looks pretty good, actually. Dries clear, so it looks good. So I'm just going to finish off the rest of these habitat rings. And then fill them in with the testers. And then after that, I can start the lighting. Keep going like that until it's all done. Now with these getting done here, so I got the window maker through there. Now there's still a point like here and here that I got to drill out, but I have special little colored plastic that I'm going to put in there, and I'll show you what I'm going to use. Okay, so we got this here is actually from a set for the original series lighting kit, 350 scale Enterprise model kit. So I got these little things here, these nibs that I'll light up from behind. I'm going to have like the blue ring, green ring, red ring. So I got all these. I'll put one there, one on this side, on the top and the bottom. I'll have them indented in a little bit so it doesn't look like it's a round ball, but it's flat with just a round dome. So on either side, here and here, for each ring set. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is find a bit that's about as thick as this arm here. And then pick the points here. I think it's like one here and one here. And drill those out. And then use a slightly larger bit to indent it so that this ball here fits down inside. Okay, so I got those marked out where I'm going to put the colored plastic. And also when you're putting these decals on, it shows them they're fairly close to the edge. You don't want to be very close because you got to worry about the thickness of the plastic here when you're drilling in for the windows. So I move it a little bit away from the edge to fit it. So, and when you're drilling in, don't drill straight down. Drill on an angle so it's more or less pointing towards the light source. Okay, so let's get these ones done. just like that. Well, everyone, that is it for this episode. The next one, we're going to finish off the drilling and start on the lighting. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. See you all again later. Bye-bye.